Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both devices. Plug a data-capable USB cable into your phone and the Corolla. Once connected, accept the prompt on the head unit to launch Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You'll see the Maps icon. Make sure location and mobile data are on, otherwise navigation won't update. If a Bluetooth pairing prompt appears first, accept it, then authorize projection. This gets you immediately into the navigation app, so you can start entering destinations without delay. Once the Maps interface appears, enter your destination using touch, voice, or recent favorites. Voice keeps hands on the wheel. After you choose a route, review options, tap Avoid Tolls or Highways, set an arrival time, and inspect turn-by-turn previews so you know lane guidance ahead. Make sure the volume and voice guidance are audible. Adjust in the head unit if needed. Once satisfied, press Start and follow the spoken and on-screen directions. Keep an eye on split-screen info like ETA and Next Maneuver. You're driving with guidance active. Maps will reroute automatically if you miss a turn. If you need to change destination or settings, pull over safely first. Do not interact while moving. If audio cuts out or the map lags, try toggling mobile data, reconnecting Bluetooth, or replugging the USB cable. These quick fixes restore the projection most of the time. If problems persist, restart your phone, update Google Maps and the car's infotainment firmware, and check cable condition to resolve recurring faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.